Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to check voicemail in 3CX. We'll demonstrate this feature on the 3CX web client. You could also check your voicemail from your desk phone or on your cell phone with the 3CX app. In the 3CX web client, you can check voicemail by clicking on the three-dot icon on the dashboard. You would then click on Voicemail. On the web client, click on the dialer in the upper right corner. To check your voicemail from your own extension, dial and call the voicemail extension number. In this case, it's 9999. Then enter your extension's PIN number and press pound. Your voicemail's number and PIN can be found in the 3CX welcome email. Your PIN number can also be found in the 3CX Management Console. Click on the Users tab in the 3CX Management Console. Click on your extension. Click on the Voicemail tab. You'll find your PIN number here. In the same way, you can also find the PIN number of everyone in your organization if you're the administrator. If you haven't set up voicemail in 3CX, check out our video on the topic. The link will be in the description. If you wish to check others' voicemails, dial the voicemail extension number, then press pound and dial the individual's extension number. After that, enter the individual's PIN number and press pound. You now know how to check voicemail. Check out our other videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.